Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Audio-Technica ATH-SQ1TW wireless earbuds. These earbuds have been making waves for their unique design and promising sound quality, so let's see if they live up to the hype. Let's start with the design. Unlike traditional earbuds, the ATH-SQ1TW sport a distinctive cubic shape that definitely stands out. They come in a variety of fun colors, which adds to their appeal. The earbuds are surprisingly lightweight and ergonomic, making them comfortable to wear even for extended periods. Plus, they feature touch controls for easy operation, though some might miss physical buttons. In terms of build quality, Audio-Technica has done a solid job. The earbuds feel sturdy and well-made, fitting snugly in your ears without feeling cumbersome. They're IPX4 rated, so they can handle sweat and light splashes, which is great for workouts or casual use outdoors. Moving on to connectivity, the ATH-SQ1TW use Bluetooth 5.0, which provides a stable connection. Pairing them with your device is straightforward, and they automatically connect once you take them out of the case. However, it's worth noting that they lack multi-point connectivity, meaning you can't connect to multiple devices simultaneously, which might be a downside for some users. Now, let's talk about the most important aspect: sound quality. The ATH-SQ1TW deliver impressive sound across various genres. Whether you're into rock, pop, or classical, these earbuds offer clear highs, detailed mids, and decent bass. They maintain consistency throughout different tracks, ensuring a pleasant listening experience overall. Unfortunately, where these earbuds fall short is in special features. They lack active noise cancellation and wear detection, which are becoming standard in many competitors. This omission might be a deal breaker for those looking for more advanced functionalities. Battery life is decent with up to 7 hours on a single charge and an additional 20 hours with the charging case. This should get most users through a full day of use without needing to recharge, which is convenient for commuters or frequent travelers. When it comes to call quality, the ATH-SQ1TW perform adequately. The built-in microphones pick up voices clearly, though they might struggle a bit in noisy environments. It's acceptable for casual calls, but don't expect studio-quality clarity here. To wrap it up, the Audio-Technica ATH-SQ1TW wireless earbuds offer a blend of style and good sound quality at an affordable price point. They excel in comfort and sound performance but miss out on some key features like ANC and wear detection. If you prioritize comfort and sound over advanced features, these could be a great pick for you. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the Audio-Technica ATH-SQ1TW. Until next time, thanks for watching.